In the shadowy depths of the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea, a silent war is heating up. A battle of naval dominance, stealth, and deadly precision. China and Pakistan are ramping up their submarine capabilities, threatening to shift the balance of power beneath the waves. The deepening naval partnership between China and Pakistan, evident in Pakistan's acquisition of Chinese submarines and the PLA Navy's expanding presence in the Indian Ocean region, has led to a strategic recalibration of India's maritime doctrine. The Indian Navy is now dramatically accelerating its anti-submarine warfare ASW forces to hunt down and neutralize these underwater predators before they can strike. Pakistan is preparing to induct 8 advanced S-26 submarines from China, an export version of the Type 039A Yuan class used by Chinese PLA Navy. Of the 8 submarines, 4 are being built in China, while the remaining 4 are under construction in Karachi, under a technology transfer agreement as part of Hangar class program. These stealthy air-independent propulsion-equipped submarines offer extended underwater endurance and enhanced stealth, making them formidable assets designed not just to patrol but to challenge India's naval dominance. However, reports suggest that despite their advanced design, Hangar-class submarines face operational limitations in endurance and technology, limiting their ability to sustain long-range missions in the vast Indian Ocean. Yet, backed by China's expanding submarine patrols in the Indian Ocean region and strategic naval bases in Djibouti and Gwadar, this partnership forms a potent dual-front threat. Together, Beijing and Islamabad aim to undermine India's security umbrella over critical sea lines of communication, the vital maritime arteries for trade and military movement. With China pushing its submarine ambitions deep into the Indian Ocean region and supplying Pakistan with its secretive Hangar-class submarines, India faces a dual threat. The stakes? Control over vital sea lanes that carry trillions in trade and ensure regional security. India is no longer content with playing catch-up. The Navy is fast-tracking state-of-the-art ASW warships equipped with cutting-edge sonar, torpedoes, and unmanned water vehicles. These mega ASW vessels are engineered to detect the faintest ripple of enemy submarines lurking in the abyss. But these are not just ships. They are floating fortresses of technology and strategy. Integrated with advanced sensors and anti-submarine missiles, they form a deadly net beneath the sea, ready to trap and destroy any hostile submarine that dares to enter Indian waters. While China flaunts its submarine exports to countries like Myanmar and Bangladesh, the reality on the water is starkly different. These vessels often suffer from poor maintenance and mechanical faults, leaving them docked for months, far from combat ready. Reports from regional navies describe these submarines as unreliable metal coffins unable to project real power in the Indian Ocean. Pakistan's Hangar submarines developed with Chinese tech also fall short. Despite their stealthy design, they lack endurance and advanced capabilities needed for long-range operations against a vigilant and technologically superior opponent. Indian naval experts believe Pakistan's undersea threat is more bark than bite, ambitious but ultimately limited. India's advantage lies not just in numbers but in rapid modernization, innovation and indigenation. Advanced destroyers and frigates like the Visakhapatnam, Kolkata and Shivalik classes are equipped with modern sonar systems, Varunastra torpedoes and anti-submarine rockets. Submarine power is anchored by French-designed Scorpion-class boats, upgraded Kilo and Shishumar classes, and Arihant-class nuclear submarines. With the second Russian Akula-class attack submarine arriving in 2025 and Project 75 India underway, India is preparing for a future-ready, multi-layered ASW force capable of operating across both shallow littorals and deep ocean zones. On the technology front, India is investing heavily in indigenous submarine detection systems and training elite ASW teams capable of swift, coordinated action. Enhanced by real-time intelligence and drone surveillance, India's ASW forces are turning the ocean floor into a deadly maze for enemy submariners. India's ASW strength extends far beyond the sea surface. The Navy's 12 P-8I Poseidon aircraft, armed with sonobuoys, MAD sensors and torpedoes, patrol vast ocean zones with 6 more on the way. New MH-60R Seahawk helicopters and upgraded Ka-28s boost shipborne ASW capability. Warships now carry BEL Hamsa NG sonar and are equipped with towed array systems. India is also deploying indigenous ALWT and Varunastra torpedoes along with smart missile system for long-range ASW strikes. The Marij decoy system adds a defensive shield. Together, this high-tech arsenal forms a layered, agile and deadly response to any undersea threat. This underwater contest is more than a strategic tug-of-war. It's a fight for dominance in one of the world's most critical maritime theaters. As China expands its reach through ambitious infrastructure projects and naval deployments, and Pakistan bolsters its submarine fleet with Chinese help, India is poised to keep the Indian Ocean a zone of peace and free navigation. In this unseen battlefield beneath the waves, the Indian Navy's rapid ASW expansion sends a clear message that India is ready to counter, contain and outsmart the submarine threat knocking at its shores. The future of regional security and control of the crucial Indian Ocean lanes depends on who rules the depths.